Welcome to Mampu AI. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to build and manage a customer-facing help center from categories and articles through publishing, locales, and portal settings. Start in Help Center and select the portal you want to manage. For this tutorial, we'll use the Bright Dental Help Center. If you are starting with a new portal, open the Portal selector, choose New Portal, enter a clear portal name and URL slug, then create it. Step 1. Organize your content. Open Categories. Categories organize related Help Center articles so customers can find information more easily. Enter the category name, a clear URL slug, and a short description explaining what customers can expect to find in this section. In this example, we've created the Appointment and Treatment category for Bright Dental. Step 2. Create an article. Open Articles and select New Article. Start with a clear title that tells customers exactly what question the article will answer. Add a concise introduction that answers the main question. Then, structure longer content using headings and lists. The article editor also supports images. Add relevant visuals when they help customers understand the information more quickly. You can also turn selected text into a hyperlink. Highlight the text, select the link option, enter the destination, and create the link. Before publishing, confirm the article author and the category where the article should appear. Unpublished articles are saved as drafts. This allows your team to review and revise the content before making it available publicly. Reopen the draft and select Preview. Preview shows how the article will appear to customers, including the title, category, content, image, links, and page navigation. Once the article has been reviewed, return to the editor and select Publish. The article is now published and ready to appear on the Public Help Center. After publishing, open the Public Help Center and confirm that the article appears under the correct category. Open the article directly from the public portal and access the published information without contacting the support team. Help centers can also support additional locales. Open Locales and select New Locale. Choose the required language and decide whether the locale should begin as published or draft. For this example, Malay is added as a draft, so the translated content can be prepared before going live. Finally, open settings to manage the Help Center identity and branding. Brand color can be adjusted to keep the Public Help Center consistent with your organization's visual identity. A custom domain can also be added from the portal settings. Enter the domain you want to use and continue with the verification instructions provided for your configuration. You can also choose the Help Center layout that best fits how your visitors browse content. In this example, the classic layout remains selected. You now know how to organize Help Center, create and format articles, review drafts, preview and publish content, add additional locales, and configure the portal's branding and settings. Subscribe us for the next part.